Hello my friends, I hope you are very well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can import tweets from Twitter to ATLAS.ti. So let me create a new project, Twitter project. Okay, we just need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now this is my project. In order to import tweets, I click on Import and Export tab, and then under Import section, I click on Twitter. Alright, if this is the first time that you are trying to import tweets from Twitter to your ATLAS.ti, you need to authorize ATLAS.ti to have access to your Twitter account. This is something that previously I have done, and that's why you can see ATLAS.ti Twitter import dialog on my screen. Also note that a Twitter search only serves tweets from the past week, and the selection of the tweets is beyond the control of ATLAS.ti. So if I search for something and you search for the same thing at the same time, our results will be different. Now there are a few options here and let me explain them for you. Here in this box, you can enter your query. You can also use OR function to search for multiple hashtags. So let's search for hashtag leadership or hashtag management in this example. Here you will be able to import the most recent tweets, the most popular tweets, or a mix of them. Also, you can set the maximum number of tweets in your results. In addition, you can include retweets and images in your results, and for right now I just prefer to have tweets in my results, so I don't select these options. You may also consider any of these options so that ATLAS.ti can create codings from these options for you. For example, if you select authors, then ATLAS.ti will automatically code the quotations or the imported tweets based on authors. If you select languages, then ATLAS.ti will automatically code the imported tweets or the quotations based on languages. Also note that normally in tweets we have a lot of hashtags, so you may consider selecting this option so that ATLAS.ti create codings from this, but you may have a lot of codes in your projects. That's why it's a good idea if you just narrow down creating codes from hashtags by selecting this option. So if you select this option, then ATLAS.ti will create codes for hashtag leadership and hashtag management only, and will ignore all the other hashtags in the tweets. And lastly, in case you select authors and locations, you will be able to automatically link them with each other. Also, if you select authors and mentions, you will be able to link them automatically. But I prefer not to do so. The last point is that in case you selected locations, make sure that you select this option. Alright, so let me click on import tweets. Okay, this is the document that has been created based on my query, and note that each tweet has become a quotation in this document. So we have 8 tweets in this document, which means that we have 8 quotations. Alright, also note that the quotations have been coded with a few codes. Let's focus on the first quotation. So this quotation is a tweet that has been coded with both hashtag leadership and hashtag management, because we have hashtag leadership and hashtag management in this. Also, it has been coded with the name of the author and also the language. Let's have a look at the second one. Again, here we have hashtag leadership and hashtag management. That's why these two codes have been assigned automatically to this quotation. And this is the author and the language is English. How about the third one? Here we only have hashtag leadership. That's why hashtag management has not been assigned to this quotation. This is the name of the author and this is the language. Alright. Now let's have a look at the codes that have been created. Alright, so there are 6 quotations in this project right now that have been coded with the hashtag leadership and 4 that have been coded with the hashtag management. And these green codes are the name of the authors. So you could see that this author has 1 tweet in this project, this author has 2 tweets, this author has 1, 1, 1, and this one has 2. In terms of language, we have 5 quotations coded with the English language and 3 with not referenced code. You can also consider renaming these codes by right-clicking on any of them and renaming them. So it's up to you. In case that you would like to rename any of these or add comments to them, you can simply right-click on any of these codes and then rename it or add comments to it. All right. Let's have a look at code groups. ATLAS.ti has also created code groups for us and also one document group. With respect to code groups, you could see that there are 6 codes that are the name of the authors. We have 2 hashtags, hashtag leadership and hashtag management, that have been grouped with each other. Also, 10 codes have been automatically created and assigned to the quotations. In terms of language, we have 2 codes. One of them is English, the other one is not reference. This group is telling us that last time that we imported tweets from Twitter, 10 codes have been created and assigned to the quotations. With respect to this group, we have no codes in terms of locations and also mentions. And here we have 2 system codes. One of them is the English language and the other one is not referenced. So the language has also been created as a system code based on this group. All right, in terms of the documents, we have one document group, and basically this is telling us that so far we have imported one document into this project, and this document contains 8 quotations. So that's it. You can continue analyzing this data by reading the quotations and code them. I hope you like this video, and thank you very much.